Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. So we're gonna taxi around the Seniorita. If you can see behind me, you can see that the flags are blowing. Wind's blowing pretty heavily out of the northeast. There's the windsock is, I think it's probably close to 17 miles an hour. So I'm just gonna do some high-speed taxiing around. If we fly it, we fly it. If we don't, we don't. It's not a big deal for me for today. It's not really one of my goals. I just want to taxi around, see what it feels like on the ground with the, and if I feel confident enough, we'll fly it. If not, it'll just get folded back up and put it back in the car. So with that said, enjoy the show. So I've already put the battery in and I got it set up for 6 minutes. Now let me put this in. I know some of you are saying, check the prop is on. Sounds work pretty good on that. It's pretty gusty, man. It's like blowing out of north here. Gonna be on the taxiway, taxiing around. Does look like the tail's a little off. Bounces around like crazy. There's too much binding on that landing gear. Not working very well. I don't feel any, I guess one of the controls arms came off. And something else I noticed, guys, I don't know if you also notice also, but the tail is crooked. I'm gonna have to fix that before it does in the first flight. see it. This is just, oh man. Oh well, at least we got that before we did a first flight, because we need elevator to be able to control the plane up and down. So back to the drawing board, guys. So as y'all saw, I didn't have rudder control. We got a binding on the on the wheel. Rear wheel is binding too much. I think I need bigger wheels, so I'm probably gonna go up to the clubhouse here and see if there's any wheels for it, and we'll just take it back to the shop and fix up those things, and then hopefully next week the wind cooperates and we'll do a first flight. So with that said, I'll talk to y'all guys later. Model Man Frank.